How to create an account in eBay. Now in order to create an account in eBay, simply search for eBay in your browser and open ebay.com. And after opening ebay.com, tap to these three vertical lines from the top right corner, and from there tap to register. Now after tapping to register, you should just simply verify that you are a human at very first. Then this page will appear. You can use Google, Apple or Facebook, or you can use email in order to create an account. I'm just simply choosing Google option here, which is very easy. Just simply tap to the Google option or Apple option depending on the platform that you use, and choose the email account which you would like to use in order to create the account in eBay. And after that, tap to continue in order to agree the rules of eBay. And after doing this much, tap to create account in this page. And now you need to add your phone number in here. Simply add your phone number in this page and tap to continue. Then you need to enter the verification code which you will receive in your phone number. I skipped that part for the security reasons, and in this page you can set up your sign-in method. I'm skipping it for now, and after doing this very easy step, your eBay account will be created. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.